We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video and the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned we can expect to get one more drop, at least a deeper correction, and exactly this is what we get. No, we want to see whether we should look for buy or sell. Okay. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, based on daily chart, we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we get the reversal. And still we're looking for, we're expecting same things. All right. But as long as the price consolidating, we can look for trade, and mostly we are more interested to look for buy. All right. And even if you refer to our analysis, this is what we have been looking for. No, we want to see whether this is a correction for continuation or not, and how we can look for trade. All right, because we mentioned how about if this one turned to a flat and this one give us one more drop. We have been discussing about all these things. Anyway, we want to see still we can look for buy or not, and even if we want to look for trade, how we can look for. As what we expected, we mentioned we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. All right, how we can look for trade? For me, if I want to look for trade, the first things I prefer, if this one give me one more drop, because as we can see the price broke the previous one, that means still this was the first, and this is the correction. I'm looking for this flat for one more drop. Any drop with the breakout of this low, the lowest price of this move, and within this range, then from there any reversal I will take the trade. If I get the reversal, that means as long as the price haven't broke the 0.29, any reversal I will take the trade. Okay, but and beside that, if we get a trade for buy 0.42, this is the targets we're looking for. This is where we have to start to manage. All right. Then how about if the price sharply continue from here? I don't think so we can get a really good trade setup within this range, because we need to see their reversal, or at least as a short move flag. Then the only way is to have entry above this. Unless based on lower time frame, this is the start of the up move. Okay. And having entry above this, the top, this is how we can, now we want to see how we can look at the chart. And if you want to have entry above the top, the reason is if the price sharply give us a sharp move. We want the price tag break and continue the price tag. This is not moving within the first hour, we take with the trade. But the best things I wanted this one turn to a deeper move, and from there we look for reversal. Okay, and this one, the ways look like based on daily 1 hour chart, mostly it can give us one more drop, and this is the best we're looking for. All right, in this case, if we move to 15 minutes, the only thing is, can we expect this one, this is the start of the up move? How we can look for trade? It can be, but how about if this one give us one move up and this one turn to a flat? If we buy within this, the only way we can look for trade, buying here and put our stop loss below this one, but it doesn't give us any trade setup. That's why we want to this one move a bit higher, give us one more drop, at least we see the flat, then we refer to the indicators, we see the divergence, then from there if we get any reversal as a sharp move flag, we take the trade, because what I see here is not really sharp. Okay, that's why even if this is the start of the up move, the only way is having entry above the top if this one give me a sharp move. But if the price can reverse as a corrective move, we are not going to have entry above this correction. And even if this one give us one more drop, then this one is not valid anymore. Okay, but traders should know that having entry above this is really risky. How about if the price tag can drop? Then they should know. They should make a decision whether they want to have this entry or not. If they don't have the experience and they cannot take the risk, they shouldn't. And if the price tag we see within the first or second hours there is no movement, or we see start to correct, we should take out the trade. Then if we want to look for buy, the best option is this one, give us one more drop. Then from there, if we get any reversal, we look for buy. How about if the price drop, there was a continuation as a corrective, similar to what we get based on here, based on 15 minutes. Similar to what we get here, see? There was a continuation and every small correction give us a one more trade. How about if this one repeat similar to what we had here? There was one more drop correction. Okay. Then can we look for sell from here? It depends on traders. When we look for buy, because when the price was within this move, we mentioned any correction we can look for short-term trade, because at that time we had the confirmation this is the start of the up move, but right now I don't have the confirmation with that this is the start of the down move. We don't have any confirmation. That's why if we move to 1 hour chart, we cannot confirm that this one is a flat, simply because of what we get here. If we had the confirmation, then we will consider this is the start of the down move. We could trade similar to how we look for trade within this move. All right. The only thing is still we consider this one as a correction relative to this. That's why if we get any buy for long term, this is what we're looking for. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup and confirmation for continuation for up move, then I will share. Thanks.